How do I protect my WordPress images from hotlinking? If your site feels sluggish and your bandwidth bills are climbing, image hotlinking might be the culprit. Let me show you the solution. Image hotlinking is when other sites embed your images directly from your server. Every view drains your bandwidth, slows your site, and increases hosting costs. So how do you stop hotlinking on WordPress images? The most practical solution is Prevent Direct Access. It's a WordPress plugin that blocks direct URL access to your images. Here's how to set it up. First, install the plugin from your WordPress dashboard and activate it. Second, go to the plugin's settings. In the General tab, locate the Prevent Image Hotlinking option. Enable this feature and then save. That's it. Your images are now protected. Prevent Direct Access secures your file URLs so other websites can't embed your images anymore. Plus, it works on unlimited files across your site. How do I protect my WordPress images from hotlinking? Install the Prevent Direct Access plugin to block direct URL access and secure your bandwidth from external sites. Subscribe for more WordPress security tips that actually work.